how some people are sock knitters? I think I'm gonna be a neck warmer knitter because this is so cute. Hey everyone, welcome back to She Tried It. Today I am thrilled to share with you my latest knitting project, the Easiest Neck Warmer by Pickles. Before we dive into the cozy details, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on one of my crochet or knit make. Now let's talk about this fabulous neck warmer. I found the pattern on Ravelry for $3 and it's designed by the talented duo Heidi and Anna Pickles. For this project I used 2 skeins of woolly worsted merino yarn from UU Yarns in the stunning forest fern shade. I completed the pattern using 5.5mm needles, slightly larger than the pattern suggests. Using the 4.5mm needles that the pattern suggested kind of made me feel like I was suffocating. But keep in mind, I'm a very tight knitter, especially when working in the round. The pattern involves classic stitches like knit and purl, but for a personal touch, I used Jenny's stretchy bind off instead of following the pattern. Additionally, during the increase round, I knit the front and the back loop of the stitch, mainly because I couldn't do what the pattern was instructing. Again, probably due to me being a tight knitter. The Easiest Neck Warmer is worked in the round following a top-down construction. It's a seamless and assembly-free project perfect for knitters of all levels. Speaking of levels, I'd rate this project a beginner-friendly 2 out of 5. The instructions are well-written and very concise, making it a breeze for anyone looking to dive into knitting. I worked in this neck warmer over a couple weeks, taking my time and enjoying the process. It's always nice to have a project that's both relaxing and rewarding. Now let's talk about styling. Initially, I was leaning more toward the lavender color, but with the help of my amazing subscribers, we chose the gorgeous forest fern color. This neck warmer is a versatile piece that adds a touch of casual elegance, perfect for layering under a cozy sweatshirt. So why did I choose this pattern? Well, I've oddly been craving a neck warmer for a while now. It's a perfect accessory for a casual look, and the Easiest Neck Warmer caught my eye. Plus, it's a stylish way to keep my neck warm without the bulk of a traditional scarf. But don't get me wrong, I still love my scarves. But with this, it's a great alternative. Or if you live somewhere cold, maybe even a great addition. A little bit about the masterminds behind this pattern. Pickles. Founded in 2009 by former agency design colleagues, this started as a DIY and pattern blog. Today, Pickles is not just a blog, but an Oslo-based yarn store and website featuring their own yarn and patterns. Their philosophy is all about easy and fun knitting, something I absolutely love about their creations. There you go, all the deets of my journey with the Easiest Neck Warmer by Pickles. I might even make it in more colors because, let's face it, I kind of still want to make it in the lavender version. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what color you would choose for your neck warmer. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye!